ServiceUp's platform provides visibility into the repair process, as it helps fleets save on costs and decrease downtime.
When fleets offload their repair management to ServiceUp, they really gain time and efficiency and can save on costs and decrease downtime for that matter. So the platform provides visibility into the repair process, and we are capturing data and analytics around the repairs. So a fleet operator can leverage this data to make better business decisions about their fleet. For example, because we're tracking times throughout the repair process as well as costs, they can see that information and determine, are they overspending? Is the cycle time taking too long? Is the approval time taking too long? So they can use this data and really make better business decisions to be efficient and save on costs.